Rainbow here, and I'm back with another video. And this is going to be kind of a quick video, but I'm just going to be drawing again. So probably paintings part 2. I don't really know. You've already seen the title most likely, unless you read it after. I don't know. Okay. Okay. Something in my face. Anyway, let's get on with it. I just realized something. I could have just bought a deck. I mean, I already have one, so I could just put in my deck. I don't care. Okay, so this is really going to be like a tutorial. I guess it kind of is. You could use these colors if you want. But I'm mostly in these videos just going to be around like I am right now. I'm just going to be trying to do a little like void of like rainbow kind of in a way. So yeah, I don't really know how to do wolves, so I probably won't be doing a rainbow wolf for a while, but yeah. Because, I don't know. I mean, they do have tutorials somewhere. I forget. I don't know. They have tutorials on Ammo channel, so if you want to see how to make a wolf or a couple other things, search Ammo Jam on YouTube. And yeah, I'm guys. Okay, this is gonna be a good thing. Let's do this because that is a good thing to do. I don't really know what to say. I'm just gonna be silent now because most of my painted videos I probably will. So yeah. Now this is too awkward. Anyway. I don't really know what to do to make these painting videos a little more interesting. Just for now, I'm probably just gonna be doing this. So yeah. By the way, I hope you like my banner in the background, not the background of the video, but yes, yes, I am good. On my new Desha Rainbow, I don't even know what it is, to be honest. YouTube banner, I don't know. I don't know. So yeah. That is going to be my video, not my video, my painting for today. So yeah. Sorry about that, Mom walked in. Anyway, okay, let's create an item with that. I think it could just go good with that, but you can do any frame if you want. Colors, this isn't really meant to be a tutorial or anything, but yeah. I think I'm going to end this video here. Oh my god, video here. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and bye.